Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome back to Kerala Lottery Guessing. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and thanks for also sharing the videos with your friends and family. The lucky number predictions are based on numerology and astrology as per the Hindu calendar. I request you to use this information wisely. Luck plays a very important role in the lottery winnings. Please check your horoscope and see if this is suitable or favorable time to play and win the lottery. This video is just to showcase on how you can predict your own numbers. Numbers can be based on your lucky number or your date of birth. It is possible to develop a habit or take financial risk. Request you to not indulge in any speculative activity as this can be addictive and can lead to financial loss. My information is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. So let's now move on and focus on the result for today, which is 9821. The last four digits of the first prize number is 9821. So let's start with the overall sequence here. Uh, I have a new sequence that I have prepared or rather wish to bring on board today. So this is from the first digit price that we have. This is let's start. This sequence is based from the second prize money sequence coming from 2 days earlier. So if today is the 7th of March, the sequence that has come today is from the second prize sequence which came on the 5th of March. So we'll quickly save this write up and we'll also start preparing the overall sequence starting from the 25th of February, which started reflecting on this 27th of February. We will make a composite sequence of 10 days based on which we will prepare this sequence. So 10 days visual sequence representation you will have. There will be 2 3 days where sequences come from the overall first prize 6 digit sequence, and some sequences will come from uh, the last four digits. It may not come exactly from D to D or A to B. It will be like D to C, A to C, B to D. So, and there will be 2 3 sequences that have come in sequence between ABC and between ABC, and there are 1 or 2 days where you have the sequence coming across the entire last four digits. So from three digits we've got the entire last four digits coming. So we will take it one by one. First we'll mark the sequences here. You can see from the 25th, that is marked in red for the second prize. The 27th we had two digits 6 and 2 which came. Then on the 26th we have 5591. On the 28th we have 7991. Again you can see three figures, four digits. Then you have 7721 which came as 2127, again three digits, four figures, three figures, four digits. Then 3031, that is the only one which actually failed in DABC. It came in ENF, the first two digits of the sixth prize. 30 came as 30 there. Then you have the 1st of March, 80 came as 80, exact match. then 9119 again, 9979 on the 4th of March, again same to same sequences, plus an additional 9 came as well. Then look at 3rd of March, 7056, it's come as 56 has come as 656, and the 7 came as the first digit, which is F. Then on the 4th of March we have 590153, that I'll mark in green, which came as 9432. Again 9 and 3 two digits coming slightly up and down, but still you see those sequences came. Again you see marking the last sequence in red again. Red you have 101, 105, 182. You've got it as 789821. So last three digits 182 came as 821. So you can see how closely and how well these sequences have come, apart from 2 days where one day was a complete failure for DABC and the other day was a mix and match sequence which came from board E and F. So you can look and see how the sequence has been doing well. So what we'll do is, now since we've made the chart, we've updated the colors, we'll do a write up and we will compare the overall sequence in such a way and the write up in such a way that will identify what is the next source of the figure and which particular sequence is likely to come. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to pause the video for a few seconds and I will update the entire write up, and then again we will start marking them in such a way that it will give us an idea of which particular sequence and how that sequence is going to come. So I'm going to mark three different colors. One is blue, one is green, and one is yellow. So let me finish the write up first, then I will share the entire sequence with the colors and how I got about marking those particular colors, which will give you a fair and clear understanding of what is the next likely sequence that is to be coming. Yeah, there I'm done with the entire write up almost. Just have the last sequence for today remaining. So you see the exact match, we will mark it in yellow color. 182 came as 821 and it came in the same three boards, that is board ABC. Then you look, I marked the blue color which had similar numbers but it came in different boards and it came across the four boards which are important for us. There will be one which is a green color here, where the two figures come more than two times. Yeah, I'll try and change the color to I'm going to change the color to green so that understanding it would be a little bit more easier. So we know exactly which day which color will come so that we can focus our our game accordingly. So we have a combination of blue and green. You see 9119 because it's the same color and it has come exactly at the same place. I haven't actually marked it with a different color, though I could have marked it as a green color, but I've chosen to mark this as blue. However, it can go well with green as well. It is more or less similar with the green sequence. So 080, I will mark it as yellow as we've got one extra sequence and it's come exactly in the same way that it was in board A and B. So that is the reason why I chose that as the yellow color, and I'll select one as the blue color because that is not come as the board suggested. So you can have a combination of blue and green together. It's likely that you will have more combinations of blue and green, less of yellow, rare of yellow, you can say. Yellow may come probably once a week or twice a week. You can see again here another yellow we've got. So you can see yellow is coming one, every 1 or every 3 days. You can say every one alternative day you have a yellow because you see the one I marked in green also is something similar to yellow. So you can see we have yellow, blue, yellow, then we have blue again, then we have yellow, then we have blue, then we had yellow. So tomorrow likely to have blue again. So here we had 991 and 2127, two yellows at a go. So let us prepare the sequence for 8th of March. We'll play a combination of blue and yellow. So accordingly, you see yellow is 1-8 and blue is 1789. So out of 1789, we'll play 189 or we'll play 689 and then we'll add one as an alternative sequence in the chart of things. So here you can see single board D5A 8 B6 and C9. Overall you can see the whole sequence is prepared. You have fourth price sequences of 369160589248, and the 3 digit yearly addition chart gives me 276 and 482. So to save time and to ensure the video is short, I have done my research and I have put my figures on the extreme right hand column for reference for y'all. The main board sequences are 8, 9, 6, 5 and a combination of the 4 digits. You remember each figure has a 4, I mean each figure like 9 has 6 combinations starting with 9, then 6 has 6 combinations of starting with 6, then 5 has 6 combinations of starting with 5, and 8 has 6 combinations starting with 8. So total 24 combinations of 4 digits, that is DABC, that you have. If you're not very keen on playing 4 digit boards, you look at 3 digit boards, 2 digit boards and 1 digit board. The 4-digit board is just for reference. So you have ABC, which is 869, six combinations of 3 digits. Then you have six combinations of 9, beginning with 965. And there is another 482 sequence that I have that has a 6 digit combination as well. So I hope this would help you prepare yourself well and focus yourself on how well you can forecast your own sequences. And this is the latest sequence which I shared with you. There is one combination of 6189, which is the last combination. You have 6, 8 and 9 going with that. For now you can, if you wish, replace the 5 with a 1 as per the this first prize board that I just showed you all today, which is from the second prize money sequence. And that second prize sequence money is coming 2 days late. The 5th March came today on the 7th of March, and the 6th of March from the second prize money will most likely to come tomorrow, which is the 8th of March. The combination has 91 98188 7. So it's a combination of 1789. I've decided to push the 7 to the second sequence of the first digit chart for you, and overall you can focus on expanding the overall sequences for your reference. So I think this is to keep it very short and simple today, not trying to elongate the whole video. A basic sense of understanding of all the boards is important for you, and we will focus on one new sequence or one new type of chart to be shared every day with you all. So thank you very much for watching. Once again, request you to share this video with your friends, family, and anybody who would be interested in understanding this whole sequence game. Also very important, please look at your horoscope, because I do not want you all to be attracting negative energy, which can actually lead to a lot of financial losses and create a lot of other problems that will distract you from focusing on building your long term career. So maybe you have a particular skill, or you are doing a particular kind of job. You associating yourself with playing and trying to win some easy money is going to attract a lot of negative energy towards you. I have come across one uh, astrologer who shared some vital important information for a particular type of you know uh, particular type of horoscope for today. So I would definitely share that with you. I'll have to convert that video from a possible Hindi language to English so that you all can have a better understanding. That will give you a detailed analysis on why there are a lot of problems that we come across in life, and we tend to lose track of our career or some particular skill that can make us be a great value add to mankind as well, and to your own personal future as well. So the sequences for Friday, today being a Friday, the addition 4 digit addition chart based on Friday has changed. So we will update the sequences based on 9821. The board 9, that is green color, we have uh, plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 added, which gives us 3108. Then you look at number 8. Number 8 gives us 2097. Number 2 gives us 6431. And last but not the least, one is giving us 5320. So you can manually add those figures again. It's become sort of a thing that I can remember easily, because I've been doing this for some time now. By now, using this addition technique, you can understand how the sequences work and how you can safeguard yourself based on this, and what is the basic understanding of the whole sequences in our life as well, and how these figures impact our daily lives as well. So horoscope understanding and getting somebody to give you a detailed information about your horoscope is very very important. So once again requesting you all to please connect with an astrologer and gain some valuable insights into your horoscope. So your horoscope is based on your moon sign as per the Hindu calendar and Hindu astrology. The one based on the sun sign, which is something that is done by people who live in different parts of the world, and it is concerned with the English system of astrology based on the English calendar and not as per the Hindu calendar. So thank you once again for watching.